These bikes are so unforgiving that even experienced riders fear them. Number 5. KTM 1290 Super Duke. Insane torque and violent throttle response. One bad input and it reminds you who's boss. Number 4. Ducati Panigale V4. Race bike power and razor-sharp handling. Blink wrong and you're in trouble. Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Supercharged and the acceleration alone scares riders who've been riding for years. Number 2. Yamaha R1. Explosive power delivery with a chassis that demands absolute precision. Number 1. Suzuki Hayabusa. High-speed stability hides how fast things go wrong. Respect it, or it punishes you. Fast bikes are easy to buy. Mastering them is the real challenge.